All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's just call it what it is. Bitcoin is falling and falling and falling, and people are freaking out. But remember one thing real quick. We hit $126,000 all-time high. People were euphoric. Everyone was super excited. And then Bitcoin fell all the way to $60,000 back in February of this year. So that big drop, that freaked everyone out. Literally, the fear and greed index went down to a 5. I've never seen the fear and greed index hit single digits, but that's where we were just back in February. Now, the reason why that's important is because we're back to about $62,000 here now in the month of June. So between February and June, what happened? Everyone got a little light of hope. They saw that Bitcoin went from 60,000 all the way back up to 82. Everyone said maybe that was the bottom. Maybe that bear market is over and we're headed back to all-time highs. But not so fast, my friends. Bitcoin came back down and is retesting the lows of this market. Now, the reason why this is interesting is if you look at the RSI, it has been this low. This is the third time. You can see back in March of 2020, we hit this level. Then in February of this year, we hit this level, and now we're hitting it again.